the every moment with Hione. A company that always knows what customers want and gives them faith and happiness. Specialized in heating and cooling equipment, Daesung Hione. Just one road for 30 years. Far infrared oil heater. Far infrared electric heater. Portable air conditioner. Industrial air conditioner. Air curtain. Industrial dehumidifier. Electric radiator. Forced air heater. Industrial hot air dryer. A company that always knows what customers want and gives them faith and happiness. Daesung Hione strives for customer-centered management. Daesung Hione strives for constant product development and quality improvement based on creativity and cooperation by professionals with long experience and technology. With continuous R&D effort and generous investment, lead the market. Daesung Hione combines a stable quality management system and a production system from parts processing to production and makes the most recognized products. Daesung Hione provides excellent products through long cooperation with foreign partners such as the USA, Russia, Estonia, Finland, and Lebanon. It is used for various purposes such as factories, shops, logistics warehouses, construction sites, agricultural products, etc. Daesung Hione will always be a company that gives customers faith and happiness.